Hey everybody, got an interesting item here. It's an old vending machine. And please leave a comment if you've ever seen one like this. This F&F brand, Alkade and Chloramint. I have searched the internet for quite a while trying to find information on this, and I can't really find much. This seems to date back to the 50s, maybe 60s. I'm guessing it's probably more 60s. It is a 10-cent machine, so kind of gives you a clue as to the prices of the time. And I have drilled out the lock. There was nothing in it, unfortunately, but here's the mechanism. And let me just show you the inside of the cabinet here. It's just an empty box, obviously. But I don't even know how the locking mechanism worked, to be honest with you. It's very unusual, but they make this size lock still readily available, so I'll order a new one. Anyway, here is the mechanism, and as you can see here, these slots in the top are very small. So these rolls of, I guess, kind of like Alka-Seltzer type stuff, or like Rolaids, and I guess just like a breath mint. I guess they were very small, very small tubes. Anyway, so as I'm tinkering with this thing, this is let's see here. This is where the dimes go, and this is the coin. This coin return button would hit this here, and out comes your dime. Now, it doesn't seem to work because when I put a dime in, I'm not able to turn any of these wheels. But if I depress this little spring here, then the dime falls down, or it would go into the coin holding tray. So once this does dispense, that is when your dime is actually deposited into that little coin catching thing. I don't know why it's locked up. No idea. I'm gonna have fun taking this thing apart and trying to see what makes it tick. If you have any information about this type of machine, please let me know. They were made in Chicago, American Univent Corporation. I'm guessing this F&F brand was, let's say, like a private label or something. It's probably not sold in stores from what I can tell, just because I don't see any antique stuff online on eBay. Any packets of this. I've seen matches. So this F&F brand, I see packets of matches referenced, but really very little else. I know they had some other machines that also sold like small rolls of like candy or gum or something like that. Anyway, just thought it was a really interesting find. Very fun display piece. I really like this kind of 50s and 60s period of small vending machines. Anyway, just thought you guys might get a kick out of seeing this mechanism here.